Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix do not log on users with the temporary profiles on Windows 11. In the first step, go to search bar and open local group policy editor. Here, expand administrative templates, then expand system folder, go to user profiles and right click here, click on edit, then just select enabled, click on apply and then OK. Now close all these windows, go to search bar and type in command prompt. From the search results you will get the application command prompt, so run it as administrator. Now type prompt and hit enter. Now you will get all commands in description below. These commands are really very important. To avoid mistakes, just copy those commands one by one and paste it on command prompt. And hit enter. This process will take some time, so wait for it. Now copy third command and paste it here. Okay, now hit enter. Now copy and paste fourth command and hit enter. Now paste fifth command and hit enter. And copy and paste the last command, that is chkdsk, and hit enter. It will also take some time to complete its process. Once done, at the end type exit to close the command prompt.